check the present fruits of the Fadila Kuliah.
Present.
Violia Seti.
Present.
Satya Asada.
Present.
Okay. The time we will study mathematics is material that is very important for you to master the end of the class.
Never, sir. But I'm still confused about the difference between a line and a series. What the difference between a line and a series, sir?
Oh, great. Great question. Someone wants to try to explain the difference between a sequence and a series.
Hi, sir. The sequence is this number while the series is an right, sir?
Okay. So it is. A sequence is a increment of numbers when they comes, for example, 2, 5, 8, 11. A series is a sort of the number is a series, for example, 2 plus 5 plus 8 is 11. Do you understand?
Understand, sir.
Now, let's learn more about the sequence of a series.
Number sequence in mathematics are divided into two main types, namely arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. We will discuss one by one. First, arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers that has a fixed addition or subtraction pattern. Take a look at this example. First example. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Here, each number increased by 2. Second example, 15, 12, 9, 6, and so on. Here, each number increased by 3. Now it's your turn. Can anyone give another example of an arithmetic sequence?
I need example 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. Increase the 5 minutes.
Very good. That's an example of an arithmetic sequence with a difference of 5. Is there another one?
I miss 8, 6, 4, 2. Increase by 2 minutes.
That's right. Now, what if you want to know the end term without counting from 1 to 1? Now we learn the formula for finding the end term in an arithmetic sequence. The formula UN is equal to A plus N minus 1 times B. UN is the end term, A is the first term, B is the difference between terms, N is the order of terms. 24, and so on. What is the 12th term of the arithmetic sequence? Please know that A is equal H, B is equal 4. The solution is UN is equal A plus N minus 1 times B. U11 is equal H plus 11 minus 1 times 4. U11 is equal H plus 10 times 4. U11 is equal 40H. So the 11th term is 40H. So understand?
Understand this?
Okay, next, how do we find the sum of the n term of an arithmetic sequence? To find the sum of the n term of an arithmetic sequence, the formula is Sn is equal to n divided by 2 times a plus un, or Sn is equal to n divided 2 times 2 times a plus n minus 1 times b. Example: the sum of the first 10 terms of the noun. Example: the sum of the first 10 of the row 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Can anyone please?
I think Sn is equals to n divided by 2 times 2 times I plus n minus 1 times b. Sn equals to 10 divided by 2 times 2 times 8 plus 10 minus 1 times 4. Equals is 260. So the sum of the first 10 term is 260.
That's right. Up to the material on arithmetic series and sequence, is there anything you want to ask?
No,
No,
please.
please.
Because now we continue to the next material.
Here, each number is multiplied by 2. Example 2, 81, 27, 93. Each number. Here, each number is divided by 3. Can you provide another example of a geometric sequence? Feel free to ask if you need virtual assistant.
Question is 2, 6, 16, 54. Each number divided by 3.
Very good. Now, let's learn the formula for geometric sequences. Very good. Now, let's learn the formula for geometric sequences. To find the nth term, the formula is UN is equal to A times R to the power of n minus 1. UN is the nth term, A is the first term, R is the ratio or multiply, n is the transposition of the sequence. For example, we have the sequence 3, 6, 12, 24. Here, A 3 and R 2. If we want to find the sixth term, how do we do that? Let me know if you need any tutorial.
Insert the now values into the formula for the nth term.
Okay, that's right. So, UN is equal to A times R to the power of n minus 1. U6 is equal to 3 times 2 to the power of 6 minus 1. U6 is equal to 3 times 2 to the power of 5. U6 is equal to 96. Do you all understand?
Understand.
Okay. Next, how do we find the sum of the first term of a geometric sequence? Okay. Next, how do we find the sum of the first term of a geometric sequence? There are two formulas depending on the ratio. If R is greater than 1, Sn is equal to A times R to the power of n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. If R is less than 1, Sn is equal to A times 1 minus R to the power of n divided by 1 minus R. Let's try to do the example. Calculate the sum of the first 10 terms of the sequence 1, 2, 4, 8. A1, R2, and 10. Can anyone solve this?
So, Sn is equal to condense to the power of n minus 2 by 2 minus r equal to 10 and 23.
Great. So, the sum of the first 10 terms is 123.
Okay, I have question. question. 1. Note the sequence 8, 18, 15, 12, 9, 8, and so on. Determine 8. What is the 20 term? B. How many is the sum of the first 40 term? Second question. Another sequence is 7, 14, 28, 15, 6, and so on. Determine I. What is the 10th term? B. How many is the sum of the first 10 term? Okay. For those who want to work on the first premise. Okay, Fadila and Ahmad. Before I end today, is there anything you want to ask?
I miss. If the row continue to decrease, the difference will still negative, right?
That's right. If the row decreases, it means the difference is negative. Is there anything else you want to ask?
It is geometric. What if the ratio is 4 number 1?
A ratio of more than one means a ratio of more than one means that each term will be larger. Is there anything else you want to ask?
No, miss. Thank you.
Okay, if there is nothing else, let's close today by praying together. Thank you for focusing on studying. See you in the next